Shehla Rashid Shora is an Indian human rights student activist, currently pursuing a Ph.D. at Jawaharlal Nehru University. She was vice president of the Jawaharlal Nehru University Students' Union in 2015-16 and was a member of the All India Students' Association. Shora rose in prominence whilst leading the student agitation calling for the release of Kanhaiya Kumar, Umar Khalid and others who were arrested on charges of sedition in February 2016 for participating and organizing in sloganeering. Shora is vocal about the human rights situation in Kashmir, particularly highlighting the plight of minors held in custody awaiting trial, and has been active since 2010 after organizing a youth leadership program in Kashmir. She played a leading role in visualizing the Occupy UGC movement and pioneering the decision to camp at University Grants Commission for fellowships. She led the protests to Ministry of Human Resources Development to ask for an increase in graduate student stipends. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.